Today we're going to talk about sign repairs. Sign repairs, on 85% of the cases, can be repaired without any problem. We can actually retrofit a sign too, from old technology like neon lighting to LED technology. The signs, basically the only thing that cannot be repaired is the metal structure has been compromised or is rotten. That will make us replace all the metal work and make it safe. But the rest of the electronics can be replaced and signs can be repaired.